Accumulator and burnout. There are two types of burnouts. In a mild burnout, compressor fails electrically or mechanically and stops right away. No contamination goes out into the system. In a severe burnout, the compressor begins to fail electrically or mechanically and runs for a period of time before stopping. This pumps contaminants out into the system. In a mild burnout, changing out the compressor and dryer usually resolves the condition. In a severe burnout, along with changing out the compressor, a high-quality flush should be run through the system to remove acids and contaminants from the entire system. The liquid line dryer should be changed. A suction line dryer may be needed for additional cleanup. Suction line dryers should only be left in the system for 72 hours of compressor runtime. Depending on the level of contamination, multiple suction line dryers may be needed to completely clean the system. The accumulator should be changed out. Why should the accumulator be changed? Acid and sludge moving through the system will stay in the bottom of the accumulator and plug the oil return hole, preventing oil from returning to the compressor. As time passes, the compressor will start to fail from lack of oil return and acid. Eventually, a second compressor failure will occur.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.